Mark Carney, a former central banker with a global reputation, is set to become Canada's next Prime Minister. Despite lacking political experience, Carney's leadership in financial crisis and his vision for Canada have propelled him to the country's highest office. Born on March 16, 1965 in Fort Smith, Northwest Territories, Carney grew up in Edmonton, Alberta. He studied economics at Harvard University, earning a bachelor's degree in 1988, before obtaining a master's and doctorate from Oxford University. An avid ice hockey player, he was once a backup goalie for Harvard's team. Carney spent 13 years at Goldman Sachs working in London, Tokyo, New York and Toronto, before transitioning to public service. He joined the Bank of Canada in 2003 as Deputy Governor and later became its governor from 2008 to 2013. During his tenure, he steered Canada through the 2008 financial crisis, earning international recognition. His success led to his appointment as the Governor of the Bank of England in 2013, making him the first non-British leader in its 300-year history. Under his leadership, the UK's financial sector navigated Brexit and global economic instability. In 2020, he became the UN's Special Envoy for Climate Action and Finance, advocating for sustainable economic policies. Carney entered Canadian politics with the Liberal Party, focusing on economic stability, trade diversification and climate action. His rise to the position of Prime Minister reflects a shift towards technocratic leadership, with expectations that he will prioritize economic reform. Carney, who holds Canadian, UK and Irish citizenship, has pledged to prioritize Canadian identity. Married to British-born Diana Carney, he has 4 daughters and now embarks on a new chapter leading Canada into the future.